Ladies and gentlemen, in this video we will help you to remove the malicious pop-up windows that are coming from the website Setuprecentmosttheproduct.vip. So some people may see these strange pop-ups by the site Setuprecentmosttheproduct.vip. These pop-ups are presented as some Chrome update alerts, but this information is absolutely faulty. They are not related to Google Chrome. The real purpose of these pop-ups is to trick people into downloading and installing unwanted browser extensions into Google Chrome. Such extensions are not really decent. They may operate as adware, as browser hijackers, and obviously interacting with these pop-ups is extremely dangerous. If you do that, your Chrome browser may be hijacked and infected. So you should undertake the measures and remove all unwanted extensions from the Google Chrome by accessing the menu, More Tools, Extensions. So if you find any third-party extensions that you are not familiar with, if you don't remember installing such extensions directly, go ahead and remove them. So, in case you locate such extensions on the list, don't hesitate to get rid of them. There is a great program that can help you clean your computer automatically. The program is called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. So go to this page, combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner Antivirus, install the application. After it gets successfully downloaded and installed, start carefully researching and investigating your computer. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. The site will automatically detect your operating system. So after you download Combo Cleaner and install the program, start scanning your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.